expanding your issues. How do you see this?
These are the pre-planned design by Narendra Modi ji not to run the house. Yesterday, leader of opposition had met the honorable speaker and he informed the speaker that we are for running the house. Whatever allegation the member Nishikant Dubey make, you have to examine it and expunge it. Speaker assured us also. The same thing happened today itself. We don't know how a member getting every day 0 hour, that for same subject. For the last 1 week, you can see that 0 hour, most of the people will get, it's a lot, will get once in a day. But surprisingly, he is getting 0 hour every day and only one subject. Same subject never give. If you raise a subject one day, you cannot repeat it also. This is the rule. When Jyotimani ji, while raising her 0 hour, she mentioned about a company, an industrial unit. That point time, speaker intervened, chair intervened and told, this is going to be deleted. My cut off. Yesterday, during the 0 hour is the prerogative of the members. 0 hour. During the 0 hour, Piyush Goyal, minister, intervened. And the same way, which Nishikant Dubey done, he also done allegation. That is in the record. When Jyotimani talking about a company that too related to the subject, that is not in the record. Clear double standard. Therefore, purposefully, they are doing these derogative remarks, unparliamentary remarks, and they are giving a false allegation, baseless allegation against Congress party and the leaders. For what? Now entire country know that this is only for diverting the issue of Adani. The day one onwards, when Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party raised the issue of genuine issue of Adani, which an American court has already been given summons, that issue we brought. That point of time itself, they started. They cooked something and they make baseless allegation against Congress party and they adjourned the house. They themselves make a baseless allegation and then they adjourned the house. We are, yesterday after the leader of opposition met speaker, we unilaterally decided to cooperate with the house proceedings. But what is happening is, they are killing the democracy. The only institution which people can say something is in the parliament now. That also they are going to, their motive is to kill that constitution also, this parliament also. Entire constitutional bodies are attacked now, attack on parliament also. Parliament is the only platform to debate, discuss, all these things. But they don't want any debate, they don't want any discussion. They are making false allegations. Unfortunately, we don't know why chair is allowing all these things. Chair should be a neutral guy, partisan. Chair should take a neutral stand also. But unfortunately, when we are asking for something, totally denying. We are asking for deletion of unparliamentary word, no reply. But the members from the treasury benches, they are completely misusing the parliament platform and making derogative, baseless allegation against Congress party and the opposition. This is what happened.